Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the update on Render. As in my earlier video, that I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, the price end of Render formed a descending triangle and broke down the support of the triangle, and it was dropped at the support, the resistance of the previous channel that was working as support. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this by the way a daily time frame chart, and this was the descending triangle. And I was telling you that now the previous resistance of the channel can work as support, and you can see that the pricing is now gearing up after testing this previous resistance as a support. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this descending triangle that I was telling you in my previous videos as well was here at this support of $3.40. And over here, we also had another very strong and long-term support zone. And when the price was dropped here, I was telling you that this can be a very strong support zone, and this is a key demand zone for the price. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong support here, and the price on has dropped here. Then we had a nice rally, and again we dropped here. Then again it worked as a very strong demand zone, and the price and rallied very well. And this time it is again gearing up after testing the support zone, and also tested this previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous rally and breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this channel, we can expect a massive rally, and the long-term target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $8 to $10, and you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. From this low to here, overall, it was almost 4,827% rally, and in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025. In the video's description, you can also visit that report as well. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher pattern that render formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very massive reversal, and it rallied more than 70%. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of render. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. And after getting squeezed, finally, we broke down the support of this triangle. And the technical target for this breakdown was, by the way, here. That was approximately at this support of $3.40, and you can see that the price then dropped more than that, up to $3.26. And over here, by the way, we had a very strong demand zone from $3.40 to $2.95. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously when the price was dropped down inside this demand zone, and after testing this support or demand zone, the price and geared up, we had a powerful rally. Before that, we had another rally here, and this time you can see that again after testing this support down the price and it's gearing up. And if the pricing moves up from here, then obviously the previous support of the triangle can now break as a resistance. And we will also need to break out this previous resistance of the triangle as well. That can again work as a strong resistance. And then we will have this long-term resistance of $8. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this $8 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here. And for 1 or 2 weeks, it had been working as a resistance here as well. And here, by the way, it was also working as a resistance. And this time, again, it can work as a strong resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently for several days, it has been working as a resistance here, support here, resistance here. And again, it can act as a strong resistance for the price line of render. And by the way, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent down channel, that target is here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $12.50 to $3.85. And over there, we have a very strong resistance line. You can see that for several days, it had been breaking as a resistance line. When we broke out this previous down channel, we had this powerful rally. The price then found this resistance line. But after this rejection, So we had a big drop. Therefore, now after the breakout from this channel, there is a probability that soon we may see another powerful attempt for the breakout of this long-term resistance line. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.